Italian road trip, y'all. Woo-hoo. This is insane. What an amazing drive this one's been. I've been driving for the past 40 minutes. This was 40 kilometers away, and Italy is just so rich and so well maintained. Like every street, even in these corners, the roads are so well built, and the houses look beautiful. Construction sites are also so well kept, and red plantations in I'm just liking everything that I'm seeing. I have to take a turn after 700 meters. I am about 7 minutes 5 kilometers away. I am going to reach the drop zone by 11:28. I will see you there. About the rental car, it cost me 130 euros for 2 days, 2 full days, and this is the cheapest one I could get, but I have booked last minute, so this is what you get. I just wanted to get to the drop zone, and I don't have much movement, and this was just a 40 kilometer ride. One way journey would cost me 90 euros in a taxi, so this was a much better option. I have my turn in 90 meters, reaching drop zone now. About the skydive, I don't have any gear on me. The jump should cost me 55 euros, including the rental. That's what I have found out. The per night cost, I have 55 euros, and I'm going to be staying at the drop zone for just 15 euros, which is very, very cool. I have come to my turn. It says it has an airport. This for sure is the drop zone turn, and we are just 2 minutes away now. Excitement kicking in, and just I'm a little scared also. I'm going to be jumping about after 2.5 months now. I wanted to maintain my currency, which is why I just wanted to make it here, jump in Italy. 500 meters, then I have a turn, and then about a kilometer to go. Vibes on, vibes on, vibes on, vibes. This drop zone has. I just spoke to Sylvia. She is the one who takes care of everything over here, who I spoke to Instagram on for all the bookings. I've been informed that I'm going to be getting the room, and so that's sorted. One person is going to check me for the skydives, and then I should be good to go. And this drop zone is open till when the light lasts, which is up to 8 o'clock, so that's cool. The flight will take off from there in this direction, and we should be at 13,000 feet in the next 10 minutes. I've just done the first jump, and it's been fantastic. They go till about 13,500 feet. I opened my parachute at 4,000 feet, and jump was wow. What a place, what vibes this has got. That's the camp that we sit in to go to board the flight. That's also where the refueling is done, behind that cabin that you see. That's the parking area. Those are other separate planes right there. I see that white bit to locate the student landing. This is the student landing over here in front. This is also the runway, and behind there is expert landing strips where you see people doing crazy stuff. I'll try and get those in a bit. Couldn't have asked for a better stay. That is my room right there behind me. There are a lot of other skydiver rooms next to me. Let me show you from inside. Yup, that's it. But I'm only paying 1500 rupees. Cannot complain. I just have to spend the night here. I'm gonna do some more jumps here tomorrow and then head back to Bologna. 1500 rupees, Italy. Cannot complain at all. I'm loving this. Pizza again at the drop zone. Because I've had so much pizza, can I actually critique a pizza? This is not the best one. This is for €3. This is something that has only cheese and was cold and was heated, but still pizza is pizza. What an amazing one day I've had here. I had planned to be here for today's day as well, but the weather doesn't permit me to do that. There are no skydives happening. You can see that cloudy weather in front of us. I am heading towards my car. They are servicing the plane, I think, cleaning it. I just met everybody behind me sitting. There's a bar, cafeteria. Great vibes and great people. I could get to know them a little better. I went out with them last night. Very grateful again. I couldn't get the videos of the skydive. Soon I'll be touching 200, which is when I can get the camera on me. I've unlocked the car. I will see you in Bologna.